Here you go, Chef.
Recording?
No, I'm not recording. Hey, Frank.
Hey.
How you doing?
Salud. Braunschweiger. Sicilian olives.
Triscuit.
Cheese. Hummus. Good snack.
Alright, so Sal said he wanted to make lasagna. So, what did I do? I literally Googled, I think it was easy, delicious lasagna or something like that. And this was maybe the second one that popped up. It's called the easiest lasagna ever from Damn Delicious. From Beep Delicious. I think the only different thing we're doing is using Italian sausage instead of beef. Other than that, should be pretty to the T. I tried to really stick to the recipe. I say we. It's not we. It's Sal's food. It's really hard for me to watch someone else cooking and not start to take over. So, in my kitchen, at least. Sal can probably attest to that. But so we try, the recipe is pretty much as is. We did add the spinach because of using the no-bake noodles. I added an extra cup of water to the sauce. And then we switched out Italian sausage for the beef, so we didn't use the Italian seasoning or anything. Other than that, it was exactly as it was. And I will link the recipe below.
I'm supposed to spread it, I'm guessing.
Yeah, put more on.
Yeah, okay.
Half that bowl.
I thought we were doing 3 layers.
Yep, but the top layer doesn't have any ricotta cheese on it. Well, just whatever. Use a third of it then. There. One more spoonful after that, and then...
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Hold
on.
Oh, excuse me. You want me to just leave you alone? Do you want me to leave you alone?
Don't care. Don't care.
I have spinach. Do you want to put some spinach in it?
Yeah.
Chopped up?
Sure.
Here is the final product. Can't wait to dig into it. Yeah. Going to try a bite. I'm excited. It is good. It's good. I like the crushed tomatoes as a sauce. It tastes fresh.
Yeah.
This is a good, easy recipe. Muy tasty. Let's see what Frank thinks. All right.
Bye, Nucci.
What do you think?
Pretty good. I think it does taste a little different with the crushed tomatoes.
A little fresher. It's like when I make that tomato sauce with it.
Yeah.
Same.
It's pretty good.
Good. Yum, yum, yum. What do you think? More? You like it?
Bye, Nancy.
Bye, Nucci. See you later. This actually turned out to be a very good lasagna. I know lasagna is intimidating. It does have a lot of steps to it, but this was a great way to get in there and make it. Thanks for watching. Peace be with you.